It looked like people that have been in the fields the whole day, guys. Yo. They're not black shower, they're just white because we're walking with grandma. Let me show you mine. So we are in Family Mart, and my sister and I are gonna show you some of the snacks we've tried. Well, I can't find them here. We normally get it, I get 7-Eleven, but my sister and I are looking for ice cream now because we really need something cold to eat, and I don't see our ice cream. Here, I don't see our ice cream here. Oh, no, my sister and I. No, I'm not eating that. It's that we get this coolish. This is the mochi. Okay, so we leave. We see what we find ahead. Yeah. Okay. This was the initial castle we were meant to come to in the beginning before we got lost. But at least we finally made it. Yeah, we finally made it. And yeah. I don't know what they're constructing there, if you can see. So, yeah. We're taking pictures here. Now? I think now, yeah. Or what?
Everyone is taking pictures.
So? No, and we'll take pictures of us. Yeah. We go?
Yeah. Cinnamon. Yes.
You can just easily ask somebody to do it. Individual photos? Go. Now take. Like this.
In this episode, we continued our Kyoto journey by visiting Yasaka Shrine, one of the most important and recognizable shrines in the city. Located between Gion and Higashiyama, this area perfectly represents Kyoto's balance between tradition and everyday's life. Yasaka Shrine dates back more than 1,350 years, originally established to protect Kyoto from disease and natural disasters. Even today, many locals come here not as tourists but as part of their daily spiritual routine. Before entering the main shrine grounds, the streets around Yasaka are filled with small shops, food stalls, and souvenir stands. This area has been a gathering place for centuries, and it's still alive with energy from people grabbing street food to others browsing for good luck charms and handmade items. You will find classic Kyoto snacks here: skewers, sweets, matcha flavored treats, and everything feels deeply tied to the history of the neighborhood. It's the perfect place to slow down and just take it all in. Once inside, the atmosphere changes completely. The noise fades, the pace slows, and the shrine feels calm and grounding. Yasaka Shrine is dedicated to the Susanoo Mikoto, a deity associated with protection, purification, and healing. The shrine is also famous for its hundreds of lanterns, which are lit every evening and create a beautiful glow at night. Before approaching the shrine to pray, visitors stop at the Tamizuya or purification fountain. This ritual has been practiced for centuries. You rinse your left hand, then your right, then pour water into your hand to rinse your mouth without touching the ladle directly. And finish by rinsing the handle. It's not just about cleanliness, but about leaving distractions behind before entering a sacred space. Visitors ring the large bells before praying, a symbolic act meant to clear the mind and announce your presence to the deity. Yasaka is most famous for the Gion Matsuri, held every July. It's one of Japan's largest and oldest festivals, originally started as a ritual to ward off illness during epidemics. Today, it's a celebration of Kyoto's culture, history, and community. Some areas inside Yasaka Shrine are strictly reserved for prayer and religious rituals. Photography and filming are not allowed here, and signs clearly remind visitors to be respectful. We chose not to record most of the moments. Being present without a camera felt important. This is a place of worship first and a tourist site second. We made it. We're having a laundry and worship session. So we're just putting our laundry on the side, and then we're going to prepare it and go to the laundry room and wash our clothes, the dirty ones. It's not that much actually. We left some of it in Osaka, but like yeah, we're just washing the bit that we have. It's always nice to travel with clean clothes. So yeah, peace out. So we're in the laundry room now. My sister and I are doing laundry. One was actually less than 1 kg. So this is the one that's for less than 1 kg, and it's washing for like an hour.
80 minutes. So that's like 1 hour 20 minutes.
And then this one is washing for 2 hours straight, because this was like 3 kgs and above. So we had to pay roughly about 600 yen is 5 zloty. Yeah, and then we have to wait for this to be done. And then this one was like 500 yen. So I'm not sure how much that is.
No, it's not 6 zloty.
That's how much?
It's 307 zloty. Then 3 times 2, then that's 14 zloty.
14 zloty. So the one for 500?
What's about 40, 15 zloty for 600.
Oh god, so we're doing laundry for less than 30 zloty, basically. That's fun. Now we go look for food.
So now I'm attempting to eat this. My boyfriend bought it for me yesterday and I didn't try it. I don't know what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna see what it is in a bit. I mean, the packaging looks okay, but this is like proper food. So Yeah, I need to eat this and figure out what it is. I don't know what it is. Yeah. Shami, you wanna help me open it? Okay, I'll open it and show you guys what it is. Okay, so I managed to take off the plastic, but I don't know what's inside. I need to. There's definitely fish somewhere inside here. Definitely. What is this? Oh, rice. Okay, what is this part? Okay, let me try it out. Tell the guys where we are. Tell everyone where we are. We are at... I don't know, I'm too sick to think about this right now.
Check out. Is it alcohol?
With alcohol.
Nie, że w ogóle. You want to try
We're gonna be making our own meat. No. So what are we doing? No. No. So what are we doing? No. What are we doing?
We're gonna be making our own meat.
And my sister and I ordered rice as well as a side dish. Like I've always wanted to do this. Like my sister and I are obsessed with like Korean, like Japanese and like Chinese, like type of series. Even just like
Drama,
anime. Yeah. But mainly Korean. And like we always see like how they go to these restaurants and they make their own meat and everything like that. So I've always wanted to do that. And now I've had the opportunity to do that in Japan, which is nice. So I'm looking forward to making my own meat and eating it and have rice. We're gonna be using some chopsticks.
So we are drinking ginger ale. It's like a ginger drink, which is very very nice.
No meat, no life.
Yes, no meat, no life, but it's very nice. So we're going to be making our own meat. They already prepared the stove to fry it. So we're just waiting for the meat to arrive, and then we're gonna have rice also. So yeah. Wagyu beef is famous for its intense marbling, which gives it an incredible rich flavor and melt in your mouth texture. The fat melts at a lower temperature, which is why it's so tender. Most Wagyu restaurants keep seasoning simple: salt, some spices, and maybe a dipping sauce, because the quality of the beef, guys, speaks for itself. That beef tastes so good. From centuries-old shrines and sacred rituals to everyday moments like laundry and late-night meals, Kyoto shows how traditional and modern life exists side by side. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next episode as we continue to explore Kyoto. See ya!